This program is made possible by Mr. and Mrs. Ed and Cura Wahiman, Mr. and Mrs. Manuel and Relaine Camarillo, Mr. and Mrs. Rex and Jessica Gonzaga, Duha Qatar SDH Church.
Morning, kids. Welcome to Kids Station. Are you ready to read your Bibles? 3, 2, 1. Train up a child in the way he should go, and when he is old, he will not depart from it. Proverbs 22:6. Remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy. Exodus 28. Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, Deuteronomy, Joshua, Judges, Ruth, 1 Samuel, 2 Samuel, 1 Kings, 2 Kings, 1 Chronicles, 2 Chronicles, Ezra, Nehemiah, Esther, Job, Psalms, Proverbs, Ecclesiastes, Songs of Solomon, Isaiah, Jeremiah, Lamentation, Ezekiel, Daniel, Hosea, Joel, Amos, Obadiah, Jonah, Micah, Nahum, Habakkuk, Zephaniah, Haggai, Zechariah, Malachi, Matthew, Mark, Luke, John, Acts, Romans, 1 Corinthians, 2 Corinthians, Galatians, Ephesians, Colossians, 1 Thessalonians, 2 Thessalonians, 1 Timothy, 2 Timothy, Titus, Philemon, Hebrews, James, 1 Peter, 2 Peter, 1 John, 2 John, 3 John, Jude, Revelation.